Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price, a reduced price, and loaded with features. Features also include heated seats, premium sound system, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2017 Expedition EL. This is the largest SUV in the Ford lineup with seating capabilities of up to 9 people. The Expedition EL is the elongated version of the standard Expedition and offers generous cabin space, aggressive looks, and outstanding towing capabilities, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, backup camera, stability control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver airbag. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.